In today's video, I am going to teach you how to chart options on Tradingview. We'll walk through where to find the options tools, how to read the most important data on an options chain, and how to use the built-in strategy builder to visualize potential outcomes before placing a trade. Start on the Tradingview homepage, hover over the products menu at the top and select Options. This is the quickest way to open the options interface from scratch. If you are already looking at a stock chart, you can also click the products icon with 9 dots in the right-hand toolbar and choose options from there. Both routes take you to the same place, so use whichever fits your workflow. You can also access options from a specific symbols page. For example, if you are researching a stock, open its symbol page, then scroll down until you see the Options tab. This view keeps your research focused on that single ticker and pulls up the full chain for that symbol. Once you are in, you'll see options chains organized by expiration dates and strike prices. For each contract, Tradingview displays Greeks like delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho, along with implied volatility, volume, and open interest. A quick refresher, delta reflects how much an options price may move when the stock moves 1 point. Gamma shows how quickly delta itself can change. Theta represents time decay, or how much value an option can lose as time passes. Vega tracks sensitivity to changes in implied volatility, while rho measures sensitivity to interest rates. Implied volatility gives you a sense of how expensive options are and the market's expectation of movement. Volume and open interest help you gauge activity and liquidity, so you can focus on contracts that are more actively traded. Switch between expiration dates to compare short-term versus longer-dated contracts. And scan strikes to see how Greeks and 4 shift across the chain. As you review, notice how higher 4 often inflates premiums, and how theta becomes more pronounced as expiration approaches. These patterns can help you align contract selection with your outlook and holding period. When you are ready to model a trade, open the Integrated Strategy Builder. Here, you can create multi-leg positions like spreads or an iron condor and immediately visualize the profit and loss profile on the screen. Adjust strikes and expirations, and the curve updates so you can see potential max profit, max loss, and break-even levels at a glance. It's a powerful way to test ideas and understand risk before execution. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.